Hi everyone. So this might be my last look, I'm not sure. I'm gonna use my brown pencil today from Cookie Monster. And I just wiped the pink off from last week. I want to go into this pretty color right there, that frosty bronzy color. I'm going to take this light brown. It's like a, I don't know if I would call it an adobe color. You know, it's like the color of clay. Now, this beigey color, the one that says the Sesame Street, or 123 Sesame Street. Let's see, is that too dark? Kinda is. I think I'm gonna put the one I've been using, that frosty color I've been using, over it. And then I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I just used the lip oil and the Count lip gloss. I can't see their names, and if you go to the Walmart website, it just says 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I used the yellow glitter on the inner corner. Forgot to put it on the bottom. This is pretty chunky though. Anyway, I put that in the inner corners and the bottom. I just use that same brown Cookie Monster pencil under my eyes. Yeah, and then I just use the blusher and highlighter. I use the orange blusher or the peach blusher, and that's all I did. So yeah, they finally just this morning released the box set, and so yeah, I collect the boxes, so I got that, and I'll just be returning when I was decided back to Walmart where I purchased it. And trying to think, yeah. So that's it. And just want to let you know real quick, I hated that stark white against this dark indigo color. So I've just been using Kiss Temptation Gunmetal Gray just on framing my face on the silver. Because that, it was just a pure white, and I just didn't like how that looked. So I've been using that, and I don't like leave it on and then wash it off. I just put in a little bit every night, let it sit there until I wash my hair 3 days later. And yeah, that's all I've been doing. So yeah, so I will be seeing you guys next week. Mwah.